Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to participate and get a free training certificate in Diksha app. What is NISTA? NISTA is a capacity building program for improving quality of school education through integrated teacher training. Who can join? Teachers, training coordinators, resource coordinators, vice principal, and principal. First, open the Play Store in your mobile. Type Diksha in search box and install the same in your mobile. After complete the installation, open the Diksha app. Once open, you will get the screen like this. Here, select the English language. Press continue. Now, select the teacher option. At the end of the page, click the board option. All the board options are available. In this, you have to click the board which you are working. I am selected the CBSE board. Now select the medium. Mediums are given in the list. You can select one or more mediums. Here I am selected English and Hindi. Select the corresponding classes which you are teaching. I selected classes 10, 11, 12. For principal, select all the classes from 1 to 12. Press continue. This is your dashboard. At the bottom of the dashboard, 4 menus are there. Select profile menu. Click login button. This is your login page. Already registered member, type your mobile number and password in the respective boxes. If you are new to Diksha means, press register here option. Click no thank you. This is your registration page. First select your year of birth. Type your full name. Enter your mobile number. Type the password. Your password must contain a minimum of 8 characters. It must include uppercase, lowercase, numerals and special character. Same password type in the confirm password box. Accept the terms and condition. And click the register here button. Now OTP will receive in your mobile text message box. Type the OTP. Type the OTP here and click submit. Again, same login window will appear. Enter your mobile number and password. Click login button. Select the board, CBSE or NCERT. Select the medium, English and Hindi. Select classes 10, 11 and 12. Click the save button. Select your state and select your district. Click submit button and dashboard will appear. At the bottom of the dashboard, click the course menu. You can see the courses. From this, you can select any course. For example, I will select CBSE Integration of ICT in Teaching, Learning and Assessment. Click the Join Course button. Click I agree to share and click the share button. Now you can see the course modules. Scroll down. Click Start Learning. Check your name and click the Start Learning. And the first course module will open. Objectives. Click Next option. Click Go to Next. Click Play button. Content outline. Click Next option. Likewise, finish all the modules. Some modules having quiz also. You have to attend the quiz and you will get the score page. It will not get printed in your certificate.
Dear friends, technology has immense potential to support education. This mind map shows few ICT tools that can support teaching, learning and assessment.
This is your summary module. Click Go to Next. This is your quiz page. You have to attend all the questions. Totally 10 questions are there. After completed the quiz, you will get the score page. Click Exit button. You will get the page like this. You have successfully completed the course. Now I am going to explain how to download e-certificate. Click the back button. Dashboard will appear. At the bottom of the page, click Profile menu. Now you can see your course and certificate. Click the certificate. Click Allow. Click Allow. You will get the certificate. This is your certificate of completion. Thank you and subscribe my channel.